So the very first thing you need is envelopes. I have taken these white envelopes that is easily available in market, but you can go with colorful or printed envelopes too. Here I am writing open when you are sad, but you can write according to your topic. I suggest you to write all your topics first in a set of paper so your envelopes don't get spoiled. For open when topics, check on the description box. If you want to make your envelopes, stay tuned for my next video. So to decorate my envelopes, I have printed these cute WhatsApp emojis. And with the topic you are sad, these two emojis are fitting perfectly. Do check the description box for these cute emojis. Now I am cutting it as I want to paste it on my envelopes like so. So once my envelopes are done, I have printed these beautiful letter enclosures. These are really beautiful and fun, but if you don't have these, then you can go with any paper, any colorful sheet as well. For these beautiful sheets, link is given on the description box. Now I am filling my letters. After folding, I will insert my letter inside the envelope. Repeat this procedure with all your letters. And here you go. Your very own open when letters is ready. You no need to be perfect for this gift. Add your personal charm in each letter. As all my letters are ready, now it's time to pack them all. So for packing, I have taken a box which has perfectly matched with my envelopes, and I have covered it with a white sheet of paper. Here I have taken a red cardstock, and again I pasted a white sheet on top of it because I want to write on it. Now once I have sticked it on, I am writing some rules. These rules are cute and cheesy, but you can write anything you want. So guys, trust me, this gift is just way perfect. This is the best way to spice up your relationship, especially when you are going through with a long distance one. And once it's done, your very own open letter box is ready without much effort.